Hey everybody, Chris here, and in this video we're going to talk about a very important topic, which is setting up multiple payment plans on Kajabi for your online business. Now, you might be thinking that this could be a boring topic and that you already learned about payment options in my other videos, but I tell you, this is not just about clicking buttons and adding features. What you're going to be learning today is how to help your business become more profitable and more accessible. I mean, think about it. These are things that you want to purchase but can't do so because the payment option isn't flexible enough for your current budget. So as a business owner, you would want to bring convenience to your customers and, in return, earn more from your digital products. Luckily with Kajabi, you can easily set up multiple payment plans to offer your customers. The more plans you offer, the more customers you can attract. Sounds like a dream, right? But don't worry, I'm going to guide you through every step of the way to make this a reality. If you're not familiar with Kajabi, it's an all-in-one platform that's ideal for creating, marketing, and selling online courses and other digital products. And it looks like it's living up to its all-in-one title because it now allows users to have live interaction with its audience. It sounds pretty exciting, doesn't it? So, if you're new to Kajabi or thinking about switching to it, check out the special affiliate link below the video. You'll get a 30-day free trial. Normally, if you go through Kajabi's website, you get a 14-day free trial. However, with my link, you get those 30 days. And on top of that, as a big thank you, I'm also going to give you access to my full course, Kajabi Jumpstart, which walks you through setting up and launching your business within those first 30 days. Kajabi offers many features and it's easy to get lost. In my course, I highlight the most important aspects to focus on, helping you start making money using Kajabi in those initial days. It's like getting a head start in a race, and who wouldn't want that? Additionally, you'll receive my top-notch high-quality templates for free, including the Business Hub template for managing your business and the Finance Hub for tracking your finances, among others. They're worth over $900, but you'll get all that for free as a thank you for using my link because it's an affiliate link. When you use it, I do get a small commission at no cost to you, so thank you so much for using that. With that in mind, let's dive into Kajabi. Now, once you're on the platform, you'll see the Kajabi dashboard, which is usually referred to as the command center. Well, there's no more fitting title than that because this dashboard really has everything you need to manage your business. To get started on offering payment plans, you should navigate to the Sales tab and hit Offers. From there, you'll find every available offer you have. So scan through the list and find the offer that you want to add multiple payment plans to. But of course, you won't have an offer on the list if you haven't created a product yet. So if you're not sure how to do that, you can check my other videos. Now, when you find the offer you want, click on the ellipses on the right side of the offer to reveal more options that you can choose from. The 4 options available are Get Link, Preview, Duplicate, and Delete. And since all we want to do is create a new payment plan for your offer, select Duplicate. A pop-up window will show up where you can rename the duplicate offer. This is optional and you can proceed without renaming it, but you can create confusion later. So for instance, I can add to this offer title phrase payment plan, so I'll remember that this offer is where I'll set up multiple payment plans. Once you're happy with the title, click on Duplicate and you'll find the copy on the offers list. Now that you have the duplicate offer, you must set the price of the first offer at the best price possible. Just think of it as the best possible deal your customer can have since they'll be paying for it in full. Just like most businesses, when a customer pays in full, they get the product at a lower price compared to when they pay it in installments. So yeah, that's basically the logic here. For example, let's say that the first offer would be for $250. Let's get to the second offer and set up for multiple payments. Usually you'll need to bump it up to $50 or $100, but it's up to you. Just make sure that the full payment plan would still be a better deal. So to edit your price, just click on the offer you want to modify and go to the Pricing tab. From there, you can set up the payment structure. You'll have 4 options here: one-time payment, multiple payment, subscription, and free. And since we've already set up the first offer as a one-time payment of $250, let's set up the second offer for multiple payments. This way, customers who can't pay for the whole $250 at once would have another option. Now it's time to enter the payment amount, the currency, and the number of payments. Let's say we bump up the base price, which is $250 by $50, so that it would be $300. And then we'll divide it up by 3 payments so the customer will pay $100 every month. On the payment amount, we input $100. The currency is US dollars. The number of payments is set at 3. Below, you can add a custom price text. You can write here 3 monthly payments of $100, $300 total. Now, it's time to connect payment channels to your account. This is to make sure you get paid for your products. Kajabi offers 2 options, Stripe and PayPal. Stripe is perfect for credit card payments, while PayPal is another well-known payment method that you can use and most of your customers would have. It would be best if you connected both to your account to offer more convenience to your buyers. Another great feature of Kajabi is the limit offer feature. You can limit your offer based on quantity or time. If you pick quantity, you can specify the number of purchases before the offer runs out. And for the time limit, you can set up how long the offer will be available. But if you want your offers to be available at the same time, you can skip this step as this is totally optional. You can add more payment plans if you want to do that. Just create another duplicate and do the steps I mentioned earlier. So what's next? Once everything is set up, let your customers know. Highlight the various payment plans on your website, in your marketing emails, and on social media. For example, you may write on your social media post, exciting news, you can now pay for your favorite products in easy installments, or something along those lines. After you've launched your payment plans, monitor their performance. Use Kajabi's analytics to see which plans are most popular and which might need tweaking. Consider measures such as the number of transactions, average transaction value, and customer feedback. This data is crucial for making sound judgments and improving your offers. So there you have it. Setting up numerous payment plans is more than just keeping up with the times. It's also about making your business more accessible, flexible, and customer friendly. Additionally, you can dramatically increase your revenue and client satisfaction. So what are you waiting for? Go out there and start making those multiple payment plans. Don't forget, if you don't have a Kajabi account and you'd like to try it out, you'll find a link in the description box for a 30-day free trial to play around in Kajabi. You'll also get access to my full course, Kajabi Jumpstart, which is a step-by-step process that teaches you how to use Kajabi and launch your own online business. Plus, you'll also get access to my high-quality templates at no extra cost. And that's it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or valuable insights on Kajabi, please share them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the inside.